So if you have a PayPal account, I'm going to show you how you can get paid just by clicking. So let me just refresh my screen so I could show you that this is absolutely real. There's my name right up at the top right hand corner. As you can see, it says Andre right here. That's the amount. But I'm going to show you how you can make a little bit of money into your PayPal account. So if you have a valid email address, this company will send you emails like this. And as you can see, congratulations, Andre. All you have to do is just activate your account. Once you activate your account, you can start clicking on ads and you can make money into your PayPal account. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. If this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. I create videos like this. So if you like make money online videos, how to make money tutorials, things like that, subscribe to the YouTube channel right now. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section so that way I can know where you're watching this video from, right? So we're going to jump into the video right away because I don't want to waste too much time. The good thing about this method, it is worldwide. So anywhere in the world, you can make some money right now. So you want to head on over to Google and you want to type in star clicks. Once you type in star clicks, make sure that you go to the official website because sometimes, you know, there's fraudsters, there's scammers, they will create identical websites and they will steal your information. So make sure that the website says www.star-clicks.com. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end because I know some of you probably heard about this website before, but I'm going to show you how you can maximize your results where you can even make a little bit more money. So once you head over to this website, all you have to do is just make sure you just click on it. Once you click it, it's going to take you to this very screen. And the reason why it's taking you here, because they want to do a CAPTCHA. They want to make sure you're human and not just bot, just clicking on the website because they want to make sure that it is real, you're real, because they need real people to make money. Right here it says find the boats. So all we're doing is finding the boats. Click on next. You probably do it like 2 times. And then once you do that, it's going to take you here onto the main website. Now, it won't take you to the sign in tab because I already signed in and created an account already. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So you got publishers and you also have advertisers. We're not going to advertise our website on here. We're not advertising for anybody else. What we're going to be doing is publishing. We're going to head on over how to make money. So once you click on the how to make money area, you will see over here that you could just watch this video and you can join millions. So it's a quick little tutorial video right here. You can get money transferred in your Western Union, so all the people all over the world who collect money in the Western Union, or your PayPal account. So you could scroll down here and it's really simple, easy steps. How to convert your time into profit. So instead of you watching a lot of funny videos here on YouTube or a lot of funny videos on Facebook or on TikTok, why not just come to star-clicks.com and make some money? You're going to save a lot of time. So there's 4 easy steps. So you sign up real quick. Once you sign up, you sign in. They're going to send you an email with a verification either to your mobile or to your email. Once you do that, all you have to do is click on ads. You click on ads, you get paid into your PayPal account. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And then all you have to do is just withdraw your money. You could send it to your bank account or to your PayPal. Pretty easy, simple steps. They also have different rankings. You could get silver, you could get gold, or platinum. So if you have a phone or a desktop, you could sign up for this. But you also can maximize your results and you can refer friends or family members who is basically doing the same thing. Scrolling through Instagram, scrolling through Facebook, scrolling through TikTok, or on YouTube, you can make a little bit of money on there. So I'll tell you more about this. So you're going to get 1 cent per click on ad, and I could show you some proof that this actually worked. There it is so far. There's 2 cents that I've tested out and everything. Of course, Andre, this is not going to make you a ton of money, and it's not going to get you super rich, but instead of you wasting your time, why not just waste time on star-clicks.com? So you can look over here where you can see on the left-hand side, there's account overview, mobile verification, pay per click ads, bank, balance transfer, account, referrals, right? I'm going to get to the referrals in a little bit, but I'm going to show you that this works. As you can see, there is 2 cents up here. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click on one of these ads to just show you that it actually works. So if I click on the ad, so let me just quickly sign in real quick. I'm going to sign in, bada bing, bada boom, log in real quick. And then once I log in, you'll see that, okay. So scroll down here, as you can see, I'm active, I'm a silver member, and I'm going to keep working it until it goes. So 18%, 2 clicks on ads, 2 cents earned. So every day, just come on here, click on some ads. That's it. That's all you got to do. So if I click on here, PPC ads, when I click on PP, so listen to music, I click on this. Now I don't have to go listen to music. Once I click on it and I click off, if I refresh, I see 3 cents, right? Do it again. Do it over and over again. Click on it, come back here, right? Click on allow, because why they're paying you money? Because there's companies out there that all they're doing is paying this website for people to click on ads, because they show up these ads in front of a lot of people. So I'll refresh again, 4 cents. Likewise, click on this. All right, once it pop up, wait for a little bit. There's Christian Mingle. You all know these websites, 5 cents. Click on this. Do the same thing again. So if anybody want to advertise their business on here, feel free to advertise on it. Right? If you're into affiliate marketing, why not? It probably be some cheap clicks. The quality of the clicks is not going to be super high, but it's good because you never know. You probably get 1 or 2 sales out of it. That's 6 cents. Let's go right here. Gold bars. Right? Once it loads and everything, boom. So you get the idea where I'm going, right? Where I'm coming from. 9 cents. Look at that. Boom. Right? 10 cents. Boom. Click on this again. Right? 11 cents. I'm just showing you that this works. So you could just do the same thing. Just consistently do it over and over again. Refresh the screen. Right? I'm going to refresh again. They want to make sure that is actually a human, because you know how there's bots out there that will basically act as human and everything, and they will just bypass the system. So I'm clicking on these double-decker bus just to verify, make sure everything is good. It logs me out. I'm going to log back in again. So you see, they want to make sure that this thing is actually working. So if you do this consistently over and over again, you can make money. So there it is, 12 cents. Click on this ads again, right? There it is. So well done. You finished the ads in the silver. So I can come back tomorrow, which what you could do, if you want to do it at midnight, let's say you want to do it at 11:30 midnight. And then as soon as 12 o'clock comes, boom. So that will give you, double ads. So if you want to sign up for gold membership, that's what you're doing. They just want people to sign up for more so they could get, more benefits. But hey, listen, if you can get 12 cents a day or even more, if you have the money to throw in and try to get, but as I said, 12 cents, but here's the deal. Come over here, click on the referral link. Once you click on the referral links, these are your referral links. So you could just copy this link. Well, this is mine. I'm going to leave mine in the description down below. So anybody out there, make sure you sign up for my link, right? Sign up for my link, and at least I share this with you. So just sign up and just do this. It's a little bit of money. It's not going to get you super rich. I just wanted to show you how to do that. But if you're tired of these little cents videos and you want to learn how to even maximize your results and make more money, check out the first link in any one of my videos, the description, and I'll just send that over to you right away so you can get started and you can build your own business. You can live your dreams, you can live your life. And don't forget, I always post some really cool things, motivational stuff on here. So make sure you interact, leave comments and things, and just read the things that I post. I'll catch you on the next video. I appreciate you. One love. Be blessed.